Hi teacher, my name is Rosalinda and this is my blog. Well, what to do in Lourica? Santa Cruz de Lourica is a municipality in the department of Córdoba, Colombia. It is known as the old stately city, the capital of Sinew and the of Boca Chico. Now and enjoy gastronomy in the public market. Now the craft made by hand and with a lot of love. Take a walk along the boardwalk and enjoy a beautiful sunset. Take a canoe ride on the Sinew River and enjoy natural landscape. Enjoy its culture rhythms. Visit its park and murals full of art. Lourica is full of beautiful pie and incredible people. Thanks for your attention.